Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is National Root Beer Float Day. So you know we're making root beer floats, but did you know we're making them only for the adults today? That's right, it is Thirsty Thursday. We're gonna be making some hard root beer floats. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, wacky recipes, drinks, the whole 9 yards, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so I have got my ice cream. I've got some hard root beer here. I have Big Brother root beer. I think I got this at Aldi, so you can use whatever brand you like. I've got a little maraschino cherry. And then the next thing I need is some whipped cream. So we are actually going to spike our whipped cream. And we're going to do that with a half a cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm going to use my whipped cream maker to do this. So you can do this by hand with a whisk, or you can do this with your hand mixer. And if you're in the market for one of these, though, I will post that in the description below. So we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of powdered sugar to our heavy whipping cream. And then we're going to add 2.5 teaspoons, which is the reason I love these for one. They slide back and forth, so they're adjustable. But what I really like is it has half measurements on here, so it's great. 2.5 teaspoons. Or if you're like me and you like to half recipes, it really comes in handy. Okay, so we are just going to put this together. We're going to pump this for just under 30 seconds, and we will have some spiked whipped cream. All right, I think that should be good. Yes. Let's see, does it smell? Ooh. There we go. I'm always making a mess with this thing. Yes, it smells like it's spiked. Smells like Irish cream anyway. There we go. All right. We'll eat that a little bit. Oh, that's good. Okay, so we're going to layer up some ice cream. Hopefully your ice cream's not as soft as mine is. I put it in the microwave for just a second. I was afraid I wasn't going to be able to scoop it out of here. It was going to be too hard. Now it's just a bit too soft. Okay, so we're going to put our lid on there. Then we're going to add our root beer. Look at that. And of course we need a spoon. Let's see, do I have a spoon around here? I guess we can just use our ice cream spoon for our whipped cream. We'll put that on top. There we go. A little bit of whipped cream on top. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more. We want to be able to see it, right? There we go. And of course we need to add our cherry. A spoon. No, that's a straw. This is a spoon. Spoon and a straw. Look at that. Yummy. And you know what? If you don't have hard root beer, you can't find it, another thing you can do is use regular root beer, and you can use a shot of vanilla vodka in here. So that would work as well. But I thought this is the easy way out. That is delicious. And I knew it would be. I knew it would be. There's no way this could not be good, right? I love root beer floats. Matter of fact, if you missed yesterday we made root beer float cookies. So if you want to check that out, I'll post that right here as well as in the description below. And I thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next Thursday with another drink recipe. Bye.